Hindi ka ba nakakaranas ng takot rin? Kasi 'di ba, I know sometimes, if the cameras are rolling, it sort of eliminates the fear for at least for me ha. Kasi parang I'm thinking, I'm doing my job, the camera's rolling, parang nothing can happen to me while the cameras are rolling. But I mean, in a situation like that, anything can happen. So does the fear ever set in?
It does, but tama ka eh. When the camera's on you, para kang nabibihisan ng some kind of invincibility. And then everything kind of, you get tunnel vision para nagvi-vignette ka, you're just doing your job. So, alimbawa, habang nagda-live report kami, parang ang nasa isip ko lang, I have to get this footage. I have to report at this time. I have to compose my spiel para klaro yung pag-relay ko sa audience, etc., etc. It was only when things started to kind of settle down. When I say settle down, naputol na yung communication so hindi na kami makapag-report. And then mapapaisip ka na, gosh, kung baha dito, malamang baha rin sa hotel. Saan na kami pupunta? Parang parang nagpatong-patong kasi pagbaba namin, yung gamit namin sa sasakyan, lahat nasira, nabasa. Tapos parang you look around and then you realize, wow, this is really, really bad. It's so bad, in fact, that even the team, I'm now worrying about our own safety and survival. Kasi true enough, when we went back to where we were staying, the hotel was devastated. So talagang wala nang nasa front desk. People were milling around. Tapos meron nakakatawang moment eh. I don't usually share this pero malakas ka sa akin eh. but edi parang dahil sa baha, yung mga packets of food, may mga fruits that are floating around doon sa baha. At yung team ko, minsan, pag nakita ng lumulutang na prutas, pinupulot na ganon. Ako si Mr. Parang straight shooter. Sabi ko, wag niyong kukunin, di sa atin yan. Parang, yan, baka merong may-ari niyan. Actually, if you think about it, it's so dumb. Parang, parang sino pa magkiklaim nun? Pero after a while, Pia, talagang kahit kami, talagang naghanap na kami ng saan kami pwedeng makakuha ng food. Bakit kami ng buko, puno ng niyog, na parang wala kaming gamit pero buti yung isa kong kasama magaling umakyat ng puno ng niyog, no? Kukuha ng niyog, wala kaming bolo. So binabasag namin sa gilid ng kalsada. As in na parang almost every man for himself in the first few hours. So that's where the fear kind of set in. I think because of the experience and because of the team, parang you become clear-headed and then parang you just decide on what you need to do next.